Nail Soup Media. We specialize in websites, web communities, and internet products.
Okay, so here's a new thing that that just popped up. You can add a tag. Before you couldn't do it. Now you can add it. So what I recommend is tagging your main keywords. Like here, let me see if this works. Matterport. Yeah. So what you want to do is you want to keyword your tags just like you would in WordPress, and that way your videos will get more play. Let me try something else here. So let's go. So I'm going to publish this. Okay, so what I did is I published it, and now I'm going to see if I can. Yep. So we're good. So we can totally. So now here's your advantage right now. Go through all your videos from way back when, and put in keywords that matter to you. If you're a real estate agent, you want to put in Scottsdale real estate, Scottsdale realtor, and you want to go through all that. Go through all the videos. Do that. If you're a Matterport person, you want to put in Matterport, and then Matterport and your city. And if you do that, and you may want to put, like in the title, change the title up, especially if the videos are really, really old. Because Facebook will still index them, and it's not going to be like your clients are going to be wondering what's up. So you want to put your keywords in here in the subject of the video, in the title, and then here you want to put your keywords, and then save them, and then in probably like a month and a half, you'll get an SEO boost. You might get it sooner. Okay, sorry. You'll get an SEO boost for the videos that are in your site that have been there a while. The ones that you put in fresh, you should get a good SEO boost right away. Okay, so look for the unique things that you could put in now that will help you get seen more. Put in if put the agent's name in, put the brokerage in on top of the other ones. Okay, so that's what you should do. Thanks.